The price of Bitcoin is trading at $115,000. Look at it right here after a breakout on this level of important support right at this point. So will this market from here move all the way to the upside, or we're going to see the market move up a little bit and then come back into this very area of $112K before the final move all the way to the upside? This is what I'll be discussing in this very video, and also the price of ETH, Blum, Pi, and SUI. Many more of this in this very technical analysis. So the first thing here is the price of Bitcoin. If you look at it, market broke out of this level of important support. This is a support I was paying attention to, and I said that if markets broke out on this level of support, then that means market is going to recover a little bit and then come back down to retest this area of $112,000. And for me, this is the last point I think the market is going to retest before the final move to the upside, because if you look at it, this very point is where the market come into, that was in the past, move upward, come retest the level again, and then the final move to the upside creates a new all-time high of $124,000, come back down again into this very area. So the market have capability of coming back down into this very point before the final move to the upside, in my opinion. So on the immediate short term, since we've seen the markets break this level of important resistance support right here, then this level of support, I will remove it from here, and then I will draw out another point of interest on this very price action, which is from here to this very point. That is where the market is reacting from right now. This area of interest is very important in the market, and if we see the market break out here, then that means the market is going to move into this point of important resistance before the next move downward. That means I am still expecting retracement on this very price action, except we see a breakout of this level of important resistance right here. A breakout of this level of important resistance will mean that the market is going to begin to have momentum all the way to the upside. So what I'm expecting is for the market to come to this point and then come back down. Okay, a possible So what I'm expecting is for the market to move upward, then come back down to retest this area before the final move to the upside, or the market move upward into this very point, create a new high, higher than previous high at this very area, and then come back down to retest this very point before the final move to the upside. This is very important. Pay attention to this to be in the right direction of the market. The most important thing here is that this very move that we are seeing in the market right here, this very move downward, have ended, in my opinion. I think that the market is going to from here move all the way to the upside, and this is what you need to pay attention to as well on BTCUSDT 4-hour chart. I know some person is looking at the market still coming back down from this very candle forming right now into this very point. Yes, that is a possibility on price action, but personally what I am looking at is for the market to from here move upward, either into this point before the move downward, or market move straight all the way to the upside, create a new high, and then come back down to retest this level before the final move to the upside. And this is what I am personally looking at right now on BTCUSDT 4-hour chart. Pay attention to this, guys, it's very important. And on ETH, it is covered that the price of ETH come back down very significantly, even up to this very point of $4,222,000. This is very, very important. So this point of 4,222 is the level that the market moved from in the past. Look at it right at this very point. Market moved from here after a breakout of this very ascending triangular pattern. I made mention of this in one of my video on this very channel, and this breakout sent us into this very area. Right now market come back down, retracement, come back down, retracement, come back down. Do you think the market has done with this movement? In my opinion, no. Market is going to move up a little bit and then still come back down. I want to see a fail swing in the market. Very important. What I want to see on the price of ETH 4-hour chart is a fail swing in the market. What that means is market should move upward into this very area and then come back down again for the final move, and market have possibility of coming back into this very point of $4,000. I've been saying this on this very channel that the market right from this very point have the capability of coming back down into $4,000 per ETH before the final move to the upside, and I am not expecting the market go below $4,000 on this level of support. Now the possibility is there as well, but personally I am not looking at that on price action right now, and you may be looking at something of that nature, but for me I am looking at the market move up from here into this very point of resistance and then come back down, and that will be the final move for me before the final move to the upside. And if we see a breakout of this level of important resistance, then market is not going to go below this very point of important support, that is the $4,000 level. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now on the immediate short term on the price of ETH/USDT4 chart. The most important thing right now is that the market is going to, from here, that is between the $4,200 and where the market is right now, move upward, okay, and then from here market is going to come back down. So expect the market to move upward from where it is into this level of important resistance. Very important, pay attention to this. And if you look at the price of Blum, it is covered that I was talking about the market moving downward on Saturday. On the immediate last price action video, market was around this very area, okay, and I talk about the fact that since we see this move upward and the market come back down with it, then it means that the market is going to come back down into this level of support, and that is exact same thing we are seeing on price action right now. And that is why you need to pay attention to this, because it's very important, guys. It's very important. Since market has come into this point of important support, I am expecting that the market come back down a little bit, okay, to grab liquidity. So once liquidity is taken up of the market from here, then market is going to move upward. This is my personal opinion. Of course, market may not come back down as well to grab liquidity, and it can be from this very point where it is right now, move all the way to the upside. But what I am personally looking at right now is for the market to come back down a little bit, grab liquidity, and then after market grab liquidity, we're going to see the market begin to move all the way to the upside, in my opinion, okay. And the first target is at this very point of 0.071, okay. When we see this very spike reject from here, come all the way to the downside, this will be the first target if you are taking a trade from here after the market begin to move upward to the upside. But pay attention to that grab of liquidity. That is what is very important on price action right now. Market should come back down, grab liquidity before the final move to the upside. This is what you need to pay attention to be in the right direction of the market. And if you look at the price of BTCUSDT4 chart, I was talking about market coming back to the downside. Of course, markets have been very strong within this very area, maintaining stability. However, what we are seeing in the past few hours is the market crashing back down on the price of Pi, which is not a good thing. Right now, Pi is trading at 0.357, which means from here, in my opinion, market should come back into this very point of important support. So this is what I am expecting on the price of Pi. This level of support is where we see the market move from in the past, and so therefore market come back down, retrace, come back down, retrace, come back down again, retrace, come back into this level, retracement is possible, and then the next move into this very area. But on the overall, expect the market to come back into this very area. That is what I'm expecting. So even though I see the market begin to move upward from here, I will not count it for anything, okay. In my opinion, I will not count it for anything. Market is going to come back down into this very area, and that is why paying attention to this very point is very, very important right now on price action. So look at the market coming back into this very area of important support on the price of BTCUSDT 4-hour charts from now moving forward. And on the price of SUI, I am looking at something very interesting, and what I am looking at is liquidity satisfaction. Liquidity satisfaction is one of the important things you need to look out for on your price action to know if liquidity is satisfied, because if liquidity is satisfied from a certain level, let's say from this very area, market is going to move upward. All you need to do is to know how to look out for when liquidity is satisfied on your price action, and that requires a lot of analysis. So from here, what I was expecting in my immediate last video is for market to come back down to grab liquidity from this very area right at this very point, and exact same thing is what we are seeing right now. Market is down, liquidity have been taken off the market. So the next thing is liquidity satisfied on this very price action, and that is very important. Now for me, market move upward, come back down. I believe this move have come to an end in my opinion, and the market is going to move to the upside. However, if you look at the 2-hour chart, because the 2-hour chart is very important, I want to figure that out on this very 2-hour chart. In my opinion, from this 2-hour chart, what I am seeing right now on this price action is that liquidity satisfaction is right at this very point. And what that means is market have capability to move from here all the way to the upside. Pay attention to this, is very important. In my opinion, I see that liquidity is satisfied at this very point, okay, and from here market is going to move to the upside, and this very level of important resistance right here is where the market is going to move into, and this is what you need to pay attention to right now. So I may be wrong, okay, market can from here come back down, but from what I am seeing on price action, market is going to from here move upward, and this is my personal opinion, okay. This is very important. So this very technical analysis, markets have satisfied liquidity, which means the bulls are going to take control of the market from where it is right now, and the market is going to begin to move all the way to the upside on the price of SUI USDT 4-hour chart. And if you come to coin market cap, you discover that the global crypto market capitalization have a little bit come all the way to the downside as a result of the market decline. Look at it right here. The global crypto market cap is now $3.91 trillion, something that have grown above $4 trillion. It's as a result of market coming back down and liquidity is going out of the market. Of course, one thing that is very profound, which a lot of the time it does not reflect on price action, is that a lot of big corporate institutions are buying big into Bitcoin and Ethereum. And personally, I still believe that that aggressive pump is going to definitely come in the market, and some person will not catch it if they've not taken a long position, especially on spots, okay, buying when it is very low and wait for the market to move all the way to the upside, because I still believe that that aggressive pump is going to come in this very year. And this is my personal opinion, I may be wrong as well. So from here, market on the altcoin index right now is 42 over 100. I want to see 60 over 100 and 70 over 100 for that aggressive pump to come into the market. And these are all my personal opinion. This is what you need to pay attention to, guys. It's very important for you to pay attention to this and look at it with what you're looking at on price action. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, link in the description of this video for more update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.